I was like, add to the basket, add to the basket, add to the basket, add to the basket. I had to like read the words because obviously I'm a child of God. I mean, sometimes it's a little bit more part-time than full-time, but I am still a child of God. And I was like, is this giving me devilish vibes? The wording is okay. It just says manic soul machine. I think that's okay. I'm a little bit manic, do you know what I mean? Like, my friend was like, don't get it, but I just didn't listen to him because I really wanted it. And I got it for a good price as well. I really like this brand. It's high street, but the quality is amazing. Whenever I wear pieces from them, everyone is like, oh my God, you look amazing. And I'm like, I know, right? Yeah, I'm so modest. Welcome back to my channel. So today is all about what I bought in the Black Friday sales. Now, they weren't all from Selfridges, but I just bunged them in this bag because it was easier. But before we get into this video and I show you some of the goodies that I bought, if you are brand new to my channel, welcome. Let me introduce myself. My name is Sneak Campbell, aka Bouji in London, and we talk all things bougie in fashion in this channel and all things bougie in beauty. So I've explained who I am, what my channel's about. So like, what are you waiting for? Have you hit the subscribe button? I don't understand. Like, we're practically like best friends at this point. Okay, you have. Okay, let's get into the video. Alrighty, guys. So I have this bag full of goodies. Obviously, it was Black Friday. There was sales. I was purchasing. And I have a bag full of goodies and I'm going to show you what I indeed purchased. So firstly, I got this blazer from Naked. It's becoming one of my favorite brands. They had 40% off, I think. And I was like, add to the basket, add to the basket, add to the basket, add to the basket. And I'm so happy I did because I really like this brand. It's high street, but the quality is amazing. Whenever I wear pieces from them, everyone is like, oh my God, you look amazing. And I'm like, I know, right? Yeah, I'm so modest. But yeah, I went for this blazer. I took it in a 36. Sometimes I do take blazers in a 34, but I wanted it to be oversized. I wanted to have that androgynous look to it, which I'm loving. And yeah, I can't remember the prices of anything, so I'm just gonna like put the prices down below of what it was originally and what it is now, because I'm not gonna lie, I can't remember what the price is, but I will leave it down below for you. Another item that I got was this Paco Rabanne kind of gym top. It's like in this metallic print. I love the metallic print. Can you tell that I'm African? Like, I don't understand. This wasn't actually in the Black Friday sales, but I bought it around the time, so I thought I'll show you. I got it in a size 8. I got it from TK Maxx. £80 to £29, so I'll try and find one similar that is cheap. But I've wanted something like this forever to wear, like with a blazer and leather pants and be on my business. So I'm just going to show you how I styled the two. So I got the Naked blazer on top of the Paco Rabanne crop top, and I'm wearing a pant and my Emily Muad'Dis, and this is a look for me. Casual but sexy, and obviously you've got the metallic peeping through, and I really like the clash between the black and the metallic, and then the Emily Muad'Di heels are grey, so it just goes perfectly. Another item that I got from Naked, this doesn't really look like much, but this was the look. I actually ended up wearing it to the Christmas party, so I'm just going to show you how I styled this. I styled this with some J-brand snakeskin pants. Oh my God, and it still smells like the perfume I'm wearing. I need to put this in the wash, but it smells so good. But when I put this look together, I was like, oh my God, like I look like a Russian mafia's wife. Like, I don't know, I felt like a mob wife with the leather and the snakeskin, do you know what I mean? Even that boot heel is like a weapon, so like, I don't know, but that's how I styled it. I then also got this marine Serre top. I love it. I got this in an extra small. I do think I need a small though, but there was no small. I was taking so long to like put it into my basket that the small sold out, so I was like, okay, let's just get the extra small and then just hope for the best and expect the worst. The worst wasn't that bad, but I definitely think I could have got away with a small, but I think because of the material, it's quite stretchy, but I don't really like things too tight. I used to love a tight top, but now as I'm getting older, I'm like, cringe. Don't want to have a tight top. But yeah, the top is a little bit tight, but I don't really give a heck. Clearly, I wanted to get something different. I see everyone going for like the moon print, but I wanted to go for something different. I didn't want to be the same as everyone else. I had to like read the words because obviously I'm a child of God. I mean, sometimes it's a little bit more part-time than full-time, but I am still a child of God. And I was like, Is this giving me devilish vibes? Is an auntie in church gonna like call me out for this? So I had to like make sure, but the wording is okay. It just says manic soul machine. I think that's okay. I'm a little bit manic, do you know what I mean? So it's not like I'm professing anything into my life because I feel like that's how I am anyway. Moving on swiftly, I'm just gonna show you how I styled it. I styled it with the naked blazer, with some leather pants from Hudson, and I put on my Alaya heels, and that's how I styled it. Loving this top. I then got this Jacquemus bag, and I haven't actually worn it yet, and I feel like I should. I've been eyeing this up for ages, and I'm like, with Jacquemus, listen, I've seen these bags go into sale, so I'm like, I'm not gonna buy them full price, like absolutely not. And I think the sheepskin really goes with the winter theme, and it's big enough that it can actually fit quite a lot in, I think personally. But I think it's super cute. Like my friend was like, don't get it, but I just didn't listen to him because I really wanted it, and I got it for a good price as well. I also didn't want to go for like the bags that everyone goes for, like that's a bit boring to me. So I think this is definitely on brand for the winter, and yeah, super cute. So I've just styled it, leather pants and this teddy bear coat from Pretty Little Thing. I think it like really goes well together, and this is the winter look that I'm definitely going for. And finally, a little jewelry piece. This is from Missoma. I've seen one of my favorite bloggers, Tamara, talk about this brand so much, so I thought, why not go and get something from the brand for myself? So this is the claw earring. I don't actually know how to wear it. I feel like I'm gonna be fumbling with it for a while. Let's see. Oh my god. Okay, are we there? Are we there? Are we there? Are we there? Yeah, can we see? Are we there? Is it cute? Is it cute? I don't know. I feel like even if it's not cute, I don't know if I have time to actually take it back. So it's gonna have to work. Is it cute? Is it cute now? Is it cute? That's what I got from Missoma. I don't know. This is the first time trying it. I'm trying it on camera. I don't even know if you guys can actually see it. I don't think it goes with the earrings, but I do like it. And yeah, it's the first time me buying something from the brand. I think I will buy more into them. I don't know if they go with the braids. I think the braids are killing the vibe. I think the braids are trying to cover them up. We're gonna let them breathe. But yeah, I think I like it. But yeah guys, I guess that's it. Those are all the items that I purchased during the Black Friday sales. What did you purchase? Like, what goodies did I miss out on? I know my style's a bit higgy-hagger, but when I put it all together, I feel like it works. I do. I feel like it works. What was your favorite piece that I showed you today? And the earrings? You like them? They're cute, yeah? I'm so silly. But yeah, I think that's it guys. If you like that video, why not give it a thumbs up? If you think anyone could benefit from the video, I'd be happy if you share the video, why not share it? As always, you can follow me on my social media platforms. I'll leave the links down below. I'll also leave the links down below of these products if I can find them for you or something similar. But I guess see you in another video. Remember to always say what guys? Bouji.